Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix background app refresh on iPhone. For example, if you see an error related to background app refresh, for example, if your apps are not using background app refresh, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. Because if you do not have a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection, then apps will not refresh in the background. So what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again, so that your Wi-Fi internet connection can be restarted here. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and after resetting all of network setting, you have to simply go back. And after that, now what you have to do, you have to go to the main steps, which is as you have to go to screen time. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of content and privacy restriction. And after that, you have to make sure that it is turned on or off. If it is turned on, then you have to scroll it down until you find the option of background app activities. And here you have to simply check whether it is allowed or not. If it is not allowed, then you have to simply click on allow, and after that you have to simply go back. And after that, your background app refresh will work, and your app will work properly. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.